When someone said pastry and Mountain Dew, I said, sign me up.
Cut a shallow X.
We don't really have a surplus of peaches this time of year because of the hard freeze. But if you have peaches, why not make a cobbler? And why not make it with the best fluid ever concocted by man? Mountain Dew.
I feel like I should be on like a jungle gym right now. Or slam dunking things off a trampoline. Since I'm baking these babies, I'm not worried about their rock hardness, unripeness.
You have to ask yourself, do you really want to cook with Mountain Dew? I sometimes do. I mean, I like it a lot.
These are from Aldi's.
With the shortage of everything, I mean, this might be a $200 cobbler that would sell for like $250 back in the day.
It mixes into a slurry.
Some idiot told me you could cook with Mountain Dew. I was like, what? You can cook with Mountain Dew? I had no idea.
Hello!